This plant on the screen is called Mexican mint plant or Mexican mint grass. It belongs to the family of the mints. It has a lot of benefits in poultry and livestock farming. It has vitamins, it has minerals, and it has numerous health benefits for your poultry and livestock animals. In this particular video, we are diving deep into the medicinal value of this particular plant in boosting the growth and weight of your poultry and livestock animals in short period of time. Relax and watch to the end. The video starts now. Watch to the end. Give this video a thumb up, share and subscribe to the channel. Share this video to reach more poultry farmers and help them to grow their own farm also. Let's get there. You are welcome to another topic. How to use Mexican mint for fast broiler and poultry growth. Band herb, miracle booster. Are you a poultry farmer? This Mexican mint is a weed that many farmers overlook them. They are just ordinary grass that people weed from their farm. They weed from the environment. Are you tired of spending too much money on poultry medications and slow growth of your poultry beds? In this video, you will discover how a simple herb, ordinary weed, ordinary grass, Mexican mint, can transform your poultry health, boost growth naturally, and help you cut down costs on high medication price. You also learn how to identify and prepare this particular plant. You also know how to use it effectively for maximum profit in your poultry farming. All this you need to know in this particular video. I will advise you to watch this video till the end. This topic interests you right away. Give it a thumb up now. Click that sign, thumb up. And at the end, make sure you share this video to reach more poultry farmers. This mint, Mexican mint, is also known with several names in different regions of the world. It is called Indian Borage. It is also called country borage or Cuban oregano. It is called French thyme. The botanical name is Plactetus ambonicus. That is the botanical name for this mint grass. It is an aromatic herb. It is an aromatic herb traditionally used in natural medicine and is increasingly gaining attention in organic livestock farming for its amazing health benefits. Many farmers are using it right away, most especially four-legged animals. Wherever you see this grass in abundance, they take their sheep, goats, cattle, and rest of them, put them there to eat this grass because of its amazing health benefits. Let me give you the 10 medicinal benefits of this particular plant, the vitamins, minerals, and other health issues it can help you to take care of that will maximize your profit as a poultry farmer. Vitamin A, can see it improves eyesight and respiratory function in poultry. It has vitamin C, which enhances immunity and acts as antioxidants. It has calcium, which builds strong bones and eggshells. Are you a layers farmer? Your birds are not laying massive egg, or they lay porous egg. Most of the times their egg cracks. Most of the times they don't even lay at all. This particular plant is there for you. It has iron, which promotes blood formation and stamina. The chickens get stamina to eat, get stamina to lay, get stamina to walk, everything. They get stamina to improve. They have phosphorus, which supports growth and metabolism. It has antimicrobial and antibacterial properties, which helps prevent CROD, coryza, and digestive infections in poultry and livestock. It has antifungal compound, which keeps fungal infections at bay. It has anti-inflammatory agent, which reduces gut and respiratory inflammations. It has essential oil, which is very powerful natural antibiotics. It has digestive stimulants, which improves appetite and feed conversion ratio in poultry and livestock. If your poultry birds are ready to convert the feed you are giving to them, you don't have anything to bother at all, because you give them food and they convert it and give you maximum benefit from that feed. You are not bothering. Do you know that some chicken eat 5 kg of feed while they are still 2 kg weight? That means they're not converting that feed. One thing or the other may have led to this, either health issue or breed issue or environmental issues that may have led to this. So, but with this plant, they're going to give you 3 kg of feed, 4 kg of meat. You can see the results you're going to get. So it is amazing plant. How do you make use of this plant? Whenever you see this plant, gather 500 grams or a very handful, the one that maybe if you, those of you that cook vegetable soup, that handful that can help you, if you, assuming you want to cook it for a family, that handful, if you don't have scale, but if you have scale, use your scale and place it and know the weight. 500 grams is good. Then wash it thoroughly with salt. There are two major ways you can use it. After washing it, you can cut it into smaller pieces, put it in a pot and boil it up to 30 minutes. After boiling it, allow it to cool. After getting cold, if you are boiling the place, that 500 gram of the weight of the grass, after washing it, add 5 liters of water, depending on the size of your pot, please. If you use a big pot, because that 500 grams is a big quantity, it's a large quantity, use big pot, add 5 liters of water on it. Then what do? Boil it for 30 minutes. After boiling, drop it and allow it to get cold. After cooling it, sieve the water out and keep it in a very clean container, either plastic or aluminium. Cover it very well. Anytime you want to make use of it, collect just 1 liter out of that 5 liters. 1 liter. Remember, after boiling it should not be up to 5 liters again. Collect 1 liter and dilute it with 10 liters of water. Serve to your birds. Share it. Allow your birds to drink. After drinking it, you can give them the normal water. Next day also, collect 1 liter again, dilute with 10 liters and share to them. After drinking it, then you give them the normal water. Do that for 5 to 7 days. If you are doing it on monthly basis, 3 times in a week, in every month, you are going to get outstanding results. Within the next 6 weeks, your broiler or your chicken are ready for sale. If you are into broilers, how do you prepare it again? Gather that same 500 grams, wash it thoroughly with salt, slice it into smaller pieces. Use your blender if you have blending machine. If you don't have blending, if you have grinding machine, use your grinding machine, grind it. If I don't have grinding machine, you can use mortar and pestle. Pound it well, the way we pound other grasses and weed you see. I don't want to demonstrate all, please, so that to lessen the time. So I'll be able to explain this very well, because I'll receive a lot of questions. Remember that all these questions are coming from over 10,000 fans. They are asking questions, and it's only one person answering it. And I sent them answering the question, and I sent them making videos. So for me to reduce the number of questions, let me use that time and explain it very well. Pound it very well. After pounding it, add 2 liters of water and squeeze out the juice thoroughly. Use all your strength, squeeze out the juice, wash it thoroughly. If that water is not enough, pour other water, filter that water and keep. Then add another 2 liters of water again, squeeze out the juice till the color changes out of green. It becomes light green. That's when you know that the juice is out. Then throw away the chaff. Keep the water. For this particular one, now you don't need to store it too long. This one you have to administer it on daily basis. Do it on daily basis for 3 to 7 days. Amazing results await you. Superb profit awaits you also. It is a very powerful weed that many farmers don't know, but they are now going to use it to get maximum results. Mexican mint is more than just a garden herb. It is a natural, affordable poultry medicine that improves immunity, boosts health, and help you reduce your cost of production. If you find this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to this channel and our other channels. Then this will help you to get unlimited access to all our videos on organic poultry tips. Share this video to reach more poultry farmers and those that want natural poultry results. At the same time, share this in your platform so that you get it in your platform. Anytime you need it, you can go back to your profile and search and get the videos. Thank you for watching this video till now. Till the next video is uploaded. For then, bye.